Fireworks, the 5th of November 2023. 61st birthday husband. I've had 40 years of fireworks. About. It's interesting, this one. It's got a face like Sippy. This firework. Yeah. Oh, wow, look at his face light up. Oh, he's good, isn't he? It was good, but it didn't last long.